How do I build a fortune out of nothing? Building a fortune out of nothing is a challenging task that requires a combination of hard work, determination, and a bit of luck. Here are some steps that may help you on your journey. Number 1. Identify a need in the market. Look for gaps in the market that you could fill with a product or service. Find a niche that is underserved or overlooked and develop a plan to address it. Number 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have identified your niche, create a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan can help you secure funding and attract investors. Number 3. Bootstrap your business. Starting a business with no money is difficult, but it's not impossible. Consider bootstrapping your business by finding creative ways to finance your venture, such as crowdfunding, bartering, or using credit cards with low interest rates. Number 4. Leverage your network. Use your existing network to build your business. Ask friends and family to spread the word about your product or service, and consider partnering with other businesses or individuals who share your vision. Number 5. Focus on revenue. Generating revenue should be your top priority. Find ways to monetize your product or service early on, and reinvest your profits back into the business. Number 6. Adapt to change. The business world is constantly changing, and you need to be able to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the curve. Keep an eye on market trends and be willing to pivot your business model if necessary. Remember, building a fortune out of nothing takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right mindset and a bit of luck, it's possible to turn your dreams into a reality.